What's up everyone, this is Sean with UVC POWERSPORTS Tractors and Outdoors, and I'm here today to kind of introduce to y'all a brand new side-by-side line that we're going to bring into UVC called Segway POWERSPORTS. Now come on, check it out. I'm going to pop the trunk. As you notice, it is a dump bed. We're going to kind of take a look mechanically. This is a 4-stroke twin-cylinder 1000cc engine, 105 horsepower, and the torque on this and the speed on this, it is crazy. We kind of max it out around 73 miles per hour. You got 4-wheel drive, front diff, and you have a lock rear diff that'll always be on. Now as far as the inside, let's go check out the inside. So this is going to be the inside of the Segway Fugleman. One thing about these seats, they are really nice, little water repellent, and you have this middle seat right here that you're able to pop down and has a little dry box as well. So in case when you don't have that third person, you can drop this down, have a little dry box. It's really nice to have. The seat right here does go forward and back. It's a really cool feature, not too many side-by-sides have. So all the short people out there, taller people, you're good to go. So you have a digital dashboard right up here. You have your miles per hour, your oil gauge, oil temperature, park, rear, low, high, neutral, reverse. And cool thing about Segway, you're able to see everything through the app that is linked up to the unit itself. On this little section, you're able to adjust the power steering on this one. If you want your comfort, standard, and sport mode, you're able to adjust the features on that one for each different one. And then if you wanted to start the unit without the key itself, I'm going to turn off the switch right here. Alright, so my phone's already linked up to the unit. I'm going to hold this down. You see the key is currently off. It'll even work if the key is out. And once again, forgot to mention that the Segway in your app has a full-time GPS. We could always track the location of it, so the moment it turns on, you'll know exactly where it's going, how fast it's going, which is really cool. And right here, you have a little, honestly a Tesla tablet, if you will. You could have a whole map, you could do satellite, even see the roads, do the night mode. So if you're looking for a brand new vehicle with very high speeds, high towing capacity, and is quick to the touch, come on down to UVC POWERSPORTS. Check out this new Segway Fugleman. For our first 5 customers, we're going to be giving away a free WETSOUND soundbar. So as long as you're within that 5, you'll be getting a brand new free soundbar with this beautiful brand new unit.